Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold this origami truck. This is something that I made about a year ago, and it was one of the requests from my cousin. And with that being said, here's how to fold it. Alright, so I'm going to use a 6-inch piece of paper. This model is an easy medium level complexity, but it might be harder than you think. Okay, so let's start white side up. And let's valley fold in all directions. So let's do horizontally, unfold, and let's fold vertically, and let's unfold, and let's fold diagonally in both directions. Unfold and do the other way. Alright, now let's unfold, let's turn over, and we're going to make a few pinch marks. So what you want to do is fold this edge up to this crease right here, but we just want to make a pinch. So just in the center like that. And then let's valley fold this edge up to the pinch mark at the top. And let's rotate and let's valley fold up so that this tiny point right here hits this point at the edge. And let's valley fold all the way across, rotate, and we want to do this again, folding on this point. So let's fold it up again so that the edge aligns with this point. And rotate, and let's fold up. And let's unfold our borders. Alright, now what we want to do is we want to fold up on this point right here. So let's valley fold up and make a crease, and let's do the same on the other three. So let's fold up on this point and repeat on these two corners. Okay, now we want to reverse fold this flap on the existing creases. So let's reverse fold this up and reverse fold this up. Okay, sorry about that, I just had to fix it up a little bit. And then let's do the same on here. Hopefully this one will be faster. So reverse fold and reverse fold. And then repeat on these two other edges. Okay, now we want to reverse fold the edges down. So let's fold this edge down to this edge. Reverse folding at this edges. And then let's repeat on the other three. So let's reverse fold this one down. And again reverse fold at the corners. And then repeat that on the other two edges. Alright, so these are going to be our 4 tires. Alright, now we're going to make our wheels a little more round, so I'm just going to focus on this one first. And let's take the 2 corners and let's valley fold them up so that we form a rough square in the middle. And then the same with these corners, just so that we make a square, And this will in turn make an octagon shape. And then now let's unfold all of this. And then let's mount and fold the top one behind on the existing crease. And then reverse fold the two sides on the existing creases. And then for this bottom one, you want to open sink it. So let's open and then push the point inside. It's like an upside down water bomb base. Like that. And then you want to repeat on the other three. I'll show this second one and I'll fast forward the rest. So let's valley fold these two up so that we form a square in the center. Just try to make it as best you can. Unfold and do the same at the top. Like that. And unfold. And then once again, mount and fold the top valley fold. Reverse fold the two on the sides. And then at the bottom, make it a mount and fold, unfold, and then open sink it inside. Like that. And then do the same on these two. Alright, and if I zoom out and fix up the wheels a little bit, these are going to be our 4 wheels. Okay, now we have to make some pre-creases. This is going to be a little confusing, but I'll try to explain it the best I can. So, we want to fold into thirds, but we only want to make a fold on the right. So, let's estimate thirds, making a mountain bend in front and then a valley bend in the back. So these aren't actually folds. And then you want it to line up. Just fiddle around with it. Okay, and then now you want to just fold the right side. So just make a pinch and then valley fold all the way across. Alright, and let's unfold. And then now we have to make thirds in the other direction, but this one's going to be a lot easier. So we just have to fold from this point across. So let's valley fold up, and you can see the point here. And let's just fold from that point to the right. Then let's unfold, turn over, and do the same thing. Valley fold up, and then let's start folding at this point, press down, and fold to the right. And those are our pre-creases. Okay, so believe it or not, we are almost done. All we have to do is make the actual car shape. So let's rotate so that these pinch marks are on the right, and then let's pleat in half on the existing creases. So mount and fold the center line, and then valley fold on the line that we made in the previous steps, and then let's valley fold in half. Alright, so our car looks like this, but we want to add some more detail because this doesn't look very good. So what we want to do is reverse fold this flap in. It's the last step, but it's also kind of tricky. So let's turn over, and then let's push this point in. And use your hand behind to provide support. And let's go back on this side. And you kind of want to crimp it like that. And then make a V of valley folds right here. And then this crease should be a mountain. And this crease should be a mountain. Okay, so this is what our folds look like. And then now we just want to bring them all together. Alright, and then one more step that I kind of forgot about. we have to make it so that the wheels aren't flush with the car, because obviously that wouldn't work. So let's valley fold, or mountain fold, I guess, halfway from this crease. So let's mountain fold. And then the layers kind of get a little crazy in here. What you have to do is just squash like that. Just go like that, just squeeze it. And then same with this wheel. And then now the wheels are lower than the car. So let's turn over and do the same thing. So mountain fold in half, and then at the wheels just squeeze it together just like that. And then do the same with this wheel. And then let's close it up. Alright, and then there is our finished truck. I hope you're able to fold this. This was a little tricky, and in the meantime, have fun folding.